Hello, I'm Tati Guimarães and I'm Sustainable Designer of Packaging and Products, and I will share with you what means this kind of thought. What is sustainability applied in design? I will share my screen. Let's see. Okay. My first question is, how do we imagine eco-design? I think that's our first impression of eco-design is that it's objects and products made of cardboard, recycled cardboard and wood, or made of recycled materials. No, this is like another image that we have of eco-design. And if you think in a color, eco-design is green. No, green is the color of ecological. But if you see the nature, you can realize that or notice that nature is much more than that. It's not wrong our vision about the sustainability of the eco design, but it's a little bit poor because nature has a lot of colors, a lot of textures, is a biodiversity. And when you design, it's important that we design as part of nature. No, so nature is beautiful, no, very attractive, very sexy, is circular and is functional. So the circularity, the garbage is or the trash is a human invention. In nature, we don't have garbage. So it's totally circular. Everything is circular. And another point that is very important is that 8% of the environment impact is resolved in the design phase, is the initial phase. No, the design is the initial phase. So we have a lot of power in our hands as designers and a lot of responsibility, but we can make a lot of change as a designer. But what is eco design? No, what is sustainable design? No, we have a lot of words for eco design: ecological design, sustainable design, green design, conscious design, ethical design, responsible design. But for me, the words that symbolize more the sustainable design is the circular design, because when you think as a sustainable designer, we think in a circular way as nature. No, so we design, we have an idea, we develop the idea to produce, we distribute, then we prepare, this go to the consumption, and then in the end of the life of this product, the product becomes to the nature again to be a resource again. So this is the way to thinking in sustainability applied to design. It's like nature. Nature is like we have the seed. No, the seed is like the essence, the concept. No, the start points, and for me is the design. No, like I can compare with the design. Then the production is the growth. No, when the product is developed, so is the growth of the plant. The tree is the distribution because it's ready to distribute. The bloom is when the tree is or the product is very attractive in the point of the sale. No, so you have like the flower, so the plant is very attractive. And in the maturation, when you have the fruits, so at the end of life of the plant, no, so is the end of the life of the products. The seeds go to the soil again to be a plant again, not to design again. So this is a natural cycle. So as a designer, it's important to think as nature, no? And the more desirable concept in sustainability or in circular design is to reduce resource, to reduce energy, water, product process, production process, transportation. And then the second phase is to reuse. No, when you can reuse, you give more durability for the products. And when you don't have more possibilities, we're gonna reintegrate these products in the nature. If it's possible, the most natural way, biodegrading, composting, then you can regenerate the soil, no, to be like a resource again. And the recycle is the last option because recycle is one impact more. So to recycle is the less desirable option in sustainability, because you have to spend a lot of energy in the process of recycling. And another thing that's very important to understand, that ecology and economy, they walk together, no? Like eco means our home or our planet, and logi is the knowledge. So knowledge of our home or our planet, and nomi is the management of our home. It's impossible to manage our home if you don't know how to work our home. So to make economy, it's important to understand about ecology. So using ecology, you can make economy because you are optimizing resource. So you're gonna optimize costs at the same time. So this is a big benefit for us, no? Like, and the big benefit of the sustainability is for all of us, no? Because when you are taking care of the nature, we are taking care of the society, and you are taking care of the economy at the same time. I'm gonna show, illustrate a little bit this concept or this way to think in some designs that I did. And this one is a packaging for flowers and plants. And this packaging made of cardboard, recycled cardboard, and the tabs made of recycled plastic. We have a lot of simplicity, because we have, this is a very example to make the most with the least. So minimal material, minimal process, just like cutting. With the same cutting, we have all pieces of cardboard, and it's very easy to transport because it's very flat, very thin, very light, and very easy to stock at the same time. And when you assemble it, we don't need to use, this is the packaging, ready. And your assembly, you don't need to use glue, or it's the same system of cutting and fold. And when you receive in our office or home, you can reuse it as a jar, or as a piece of decoration, or as a lamp. No, so and the tabs you can reuse as a plate for the plants. So it's an example of a multifunctional packaging. No, like here we have a lot of optimization of resource, materials, and production process. It's made of compact cardboard and plastic, 100% recycled and recyclable. It's made without the use of glues and varnish, so you are optimizing resource all the time. It's made in Spain, luckily, totally kilometer zero. It's timeless, and it's made of cardboard dyed with vegetable pigment, so 100% biodegradable. You can separate very easy the incompatible materials to put each then in their container to be a resource again. So this is very important sustainability. And it's toxic free, so this is just a resuming of this kind of packaging design. I'm gonna show another one. This is like is a box of wine made of certified and local wood, and recycled cardboard. The small box contain the cables, and in the back of the packaging, you can see the instructions to become this box into a lamp. So the base of the box that contain the cables becomes the base of the lamp, and then you have like a lamp. So this is a wine box that becomes a lamp with a special second life. So you don't 70% of the packaging becomes a product to be in your home, not go to the trash. So this is like a kind of how can I say? You give like durability for the design. is part of sustainability again. This one is very interesting because it's a collector of best memories. So has a lot of emotion. It's like I think that's I call this like sustainable emotional sustainability, no? Because when you have a affective link with the products, you don't throw away easily the product. And this is like a collector of best memories, as I said. You add your corks, but the corks by yourself, the corks from your wines of a beautiful moment. And in the end, when you finish, you have a trivet, no? So, and it's very interesting that is made of from just one material, is the stainless steel, very minimal material, and the spikes comes from the same material. You don't have to add more material to make the spikes. So a very simple product, no? Like with minimal, again, is the most with the least, no? The least. So minimal material, minimal process to make like a product. And here you have a product with double function. We have optimization of resource, materials, and production process. It's made of stainless steel, as I said, 100% recycled and recyclable. And it's made, in this case, it's very interesting to use stainless steel because I want like a durable material. Is made without the use of glues and varnish. Is made in Spain again, kilometer zero, timeless, and tox-free. And this one is another packaging made for a company that produce organic cotton textiles. And I create the packaging with their products, no? Like, why am I going to create a packaging for the line of underwears with cardboard? Because the main products of them is the organic cotton. Is a way to give to show better their products, the product that they sell through the packaging. The print is made of vegetable ink, and the funny thing, or I think that's the interesting point is that this bag becomes a basket to reuse in your home. So again, it's a product with second life, is so mainly because it's made of very with a quality material that is the textile. So I give to the packaging another use, and then the company, like have the still in the house of the users, in an original way. I think that's is another point too. And this one, the last one that I choose is these pieces of wood that you with holes that you put by yourself the bottles, and then we have these small tables that optimize space in a dinner table, is to put like your cheese, your bread, or some candles to create an atmosphere. It's a very simple design because it's made of wood, just wood, and cutting is a control numerical cutting. And we have like these kinds of modular tables that we can use in a lot. Again, it's the most with the least, like we have the maximum of functionality with the minimum of materials and process. I think that's all. This is a big one that I think that just to show the modularity of this project is maximum simplicity, but we have a lot of functionality, at the same time. Hope you like the presentation and you learned with it a little bit. And thank you very much to be here. Bye.